What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tail for your gorilla tag monkey if you want. So first we got to go into Blender. I'm going to open up my new monkey because I think it looks way better. Alright, we got this little cute fella and he has a tail. Now you want to know how to make a tail like this. Like, oh, how do you do it? I'm not good at 3D modeling. Well, I'll teach you how to be good. You don't have to be good at 3D modeling in order to make this, and I'm pretty sure you can. Let me test something out real quick. Let me turn on the amateur, that, pose mode. Yeah, it still works. So yeah, you're just adding a tail. Alright, now, I'm putting these back into object mode. So yeah, let's get started. First, if you have a model, you want to hide it, like so. And I know most tutorials are gonna be like, alright, sure, you have to put a cube, and then, no, I'm not making hands, I'm making good, detailed tails. Okay, so what I would recommend doing is putting it in the middle and then starting from this side. So, not the one with the green side or like this, the sides, but the middle. So then you want to go up here, not go up here, crap, go over here, edit mode, click the one with the little tiny thing up here, not this one with the little tiny thing right there, just so if anyone's confused. And then shift click or just normally click if you want like both sides, and then right click with your mouse. If you don't have a mouse, I don't think you can like right click. Anyways, right click with your mouse, click extrude faces, and then make that. Now what we want to do is extrude that one last time, and wow, that looks good. Okay, so then next you want to click this, turn it, grab, turn it, and then you want to extrude. Trust me, it's gonna look more than something. Extrude, extrude. It looks kind of like a tail if you really think about it. Then we want to kind of tilt that, and then right click again, extrude, and then we're gonna make this tail go like that, well, like this. Okay, then what you want to do, right click, and then you know what to do from here, guys. Now there, we got our tail. If you want to make it like that, now go to here. Oh crap, no, you want to go to the wrench icon, click add modifier, search, find subdivision surface, apply it. And if you look, it looks like we have a nice tail here. I do not recommend switching it to 2. It's actually going to be so hard for you to like do what I do. Okay, for me, I'm only going to do 1. Then what you want to do is find your model, attach it to your model. I'm going to use a model for example that I don't really want to use. Let me find something. It's my old monk model. Hopefully it's still, yeah, it's not available to use. Alright, let me go to FBX. I don't actually think I saved it as an FBX, so I can't import something. Let me just put in a Roblox hat that I've been working on. Yeah, there. And then what you want to do is shrink it down. If it does something like that, don't worry. Shrink it down to the right size. Turn it again until it's most likely like this. And then attach it to your thing. I'm using a Roblox hat since I can't use my monkey model. And if it doesn't look exactly like mine, I'm sorry. I'm just low on time. Actually, I think it would look better if it was the other side that was being used. You know. Yes, now that looks way better. Until it's straight and then, yes. And then you want to attach it. I did it from this side by accident. Don't do what I did, but like, there, now you have yourself a tail. This is gonna be my first tutorial on making a Gorilla Tech fangame, because I'm currently working on one. If you guys want to see the old model, tell me down in the comments. Anyways, goodbye.